All right, 12:15 is the time. We want to check in with meteorologist Cambrell Marshall. We're going into the weekend. It's looking hot, but also we're tracking what's going on in the tropics, and that's really something we're keeping an eye on.
Yeah, we're going to have a nice weekend to get ready, and then people should do that and get that hurricane tracking app that we have available. It's free. Get that so you can have updated information. Take a look at what we're dealing with, though, in the tropics. A lot going on out there. Tropical Depression 14 is what we will be most concerned about. It will become Marco coming up. Tropical Storm Laura this morning, and in another area right off the coast of Africa with about a 40% chance of developing into something going forward. So that's what we're dealing with here in terms of our area. So the latest advisories, we'll see another advisory 1 to 2 o'clock this afternoon. But right now, the advisory is 35-mile-an-hour winds for this tropical depression, which we are going to be most concerned about. Yes, Laura is there. It is projected to become a Category 1 hurricane, but so is this tropical depression. Will probably be Marco as it goes across the Yucatan Peninsula by Sunday morning, and then into the Gulf of Mexico where it's really warm. In the meantime, Laura coming across Cuba south of Miami as it heads into the Gulf as well. So we'll have 2 storms in there. We expect Marco will become a Category 1 before Laura will, but all of this could change, of course, going forward. This is based upon the models and the information we have right now, but Category 1 storm right off our coast here. Now, this is obviously a cone of uncertainty. So this is just not the middle of the storm, but this is where the forecast model, somewhere in here. So you can be expected that we're going to be dealing with this storm. Just think of it right now as this will be our storm, and it could change going forward. If you think about it that way, it makes you obviously a lot more ready to be prepared than otherwise. And you see Laura on the backside, on the east of us, is also going to be heading in and making landfall in between Mississippi, Alabama as a Category 1 storm by Wednesday morning, while our storm will be farther north toward Dallas as a tropical depression. Tropical storm still is going to be weakening along the way after that. So this is what we deal with here. This water in the Gulf, 88 to 90 degrees. That's what helped the storm get a lot more energy going forward here. So Hannah was like that. Hannah was a tropical storm and ran into that really warm water, became a Category 1. So that's the same sort of scenario that we'll be dealing with. So think about this, that we will have a Category 1 storm. At least the forecast models indicate that. That means that coming in, there are going to be some impacts along the coast there for us. And what are those impacts? For the first part on Monday and Tuesday, we can expect to have 8 to 12 inches of rain. 30% chance for tropical storm force winds. That's going to go up if the forecast model continues in the way that it is now. Power outages certainly probable. Coastal flooding as well, and storm surges early as Monday associated with that. So we have this direct impact. Impacts could be felt as early as Monday. Right now, the landfall is going to be on Tuesday. So keep all of that in mind as you make your plans for the weekend. For us right now, another hot afternoon, small afternoon chance for showers, and then we're going to be tracking the tropics throughout. We have an air quality alert as well with these showers that are out there right now. Not a lot going on, but they're still out there, enough to get your attention. Mostly along the coast, we'll continue to see about a 20% chance of that. You see that inflow, the outflow boundary from those storms right there is firing up, getting ready to fire up something else going forward here. So 90 degrees feels like 95 degrees with the temperatures around the area, 90 in Sugar Land, 88 in Tomball, 88 in Conroe, with the winds calm or variable. They're going to be turning from the south, which is going to give us a lot more opportunity for our humidity to go up. Normally, we're about 94 degrees for a high. I think we're going to be about 96 degrees for a high temperature today, and that's going to be around 3 o'clock with that 20% rain chance. This 10-day forecast in hot. Yes, not as hot as we have been, but as we get to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll be turning our attention fully toward the tropics. Temperature will go down. Those rain chances guaranteed will go up. Just be prepared, get ready, and make sure you have the hurricane tracker on your phone and your app so you can keep track of what's going to be going on in the next several days. Christine?
Yeah, good reminder. We know to keep track of it, Cambrell. Thank you.